knee knockers. I've heard that's a good way to learn handbrake, because you can cover both brakes. And this is the first day I've really put any effort into them. I have tried them one other time, and I only tried it 2 or 3 times and got scared. So we're out here putting in some knee on seat, Tom. And I think we're making progress. Foot brake seems to transfer somewhat. Not really tipping back yet because I'm kind of scared. Long enough the front wheel stopped. That's a good sign. Woo, I'm too out of shape for this. Too old for this shit. Try some more here. Beautiful. Yeah, these things are kind of tiring, if I'm honest. I'm out of shape, guys. Those were shit, so I'm gonna try one, maybe 2 more. That's it. be throwing combos and shit before you know it, guys. I'm excited about this year. I got a good foundation. I think this is going to be a better year than last year. And last year, I completely learned how to do balance pulling wheelies, which is fucking sick. In case y'all didn't know. All right, we're gonna call it quits on that one. And yeah, I really think, guys, practice, a little bit of practice every day is better than a whole lot of practice once every couple of weeks.